Fine shit.
What?
Fine.
Where?
Oh,
Where?
put your weapon away.
Where is she?
She's coming towards me.
She don't want your wrinkly old ass. Move it out the way.
What the fuck, dude? What? As Kelvin was chasing you like...
Oh shit! Someone's beat up Kelvin. Alright, Kelvin.
How'd that feel, huh? Think again before you beat up Kelvin.
Yeah.
4 shots to the chest and 1 slug in the face.
Oh, the girl's coming. Everyone act casual.
Put your stuff away.
I'm eating human flesh. Don't worry about it.
And there's a bunch of babies.
Oh,
Oh my fucking god. Alright, time to defend again, guys.